Hi, it's Paula from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Know your machine. I am starting from this tip, as I know we all are eager to just crack on with sewing. Well, ask me how I know that. However, each machine is slightly different, so it is time well spent to get to know it. How to maintain it, what parts come with it, and what else is available to buy if you would like to extend the capability. Whether it's a new or new to you machine, new and older instruction booklets as well as videos are available, and it's good to access those before you spend hours of troubleshooting later. That also include a maintenance and cleaning. Do not forget to clean your machine. The more you sew, the more you should keep on top of it. I clean mine before every project, or at least once a week, whichever is earlier. Few minutes doing the basic clean can save a lot of time in long term. Thank you for watching. I hope you will share this tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing and see you next time.